Hello, good morning. This is Shak for LankaEquityForum.com. The chart in front of us today is Access Engineering Limited. I hope you like this. The analysis that I'm going to do on this share, because it has been battered severely since it peaked 43 late last year. And then we started seeing the price tumbling, even penetrating the moving averages. Now we are at a 141 extension on the Fibonacci tool. The price stands around 27. This is where we are at the moment. And we are seeing the MACD hitting low. And of course the RSI is very bearish, which is around 25. Okay, now the good sign is that it has given a buy on the RSI because it's on a very extreme oversold situation, which was around when it hit around 32 from 44. And since then we saw the pullback which was expected towards 61.8. Now it has continued to dip, to fall around 141 extension. Now this pattern, we are almost into, this is the first leg, here the second leg, here's the third leg. Probably it might be here or here. I prefer to be on the 161.8. Not that I'm discounting that it can have a reversal around 141. 161.8 would be a beauty. To see another mid point here around 32 to stand as a resistance point, and from there it could be a reversal or a continuation towards 40ish. Okay, so this is my view, take on a technical side based on harmonic pattern, which I described in the thread called Shark pattern. This is not my own pattern, but this is one of the harmonic price patterns, a valid pattern which is known as Shark. And once we see the movement towards 32, a reversal is identified as a pattern called 5-point pattern, okay, which is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, comes here, is the fifth. So this is the 5 pattern, could come down. So that's the 5-point pattern on harmonics. If this continues towards beyond the 50% correction point there, which is we are discussing the common Shark pattern. Okay, so if this resumes towards 40, we call it, it's a shark. Okay, looking at the other indicators here, I prefer this. From a very overbought came to an oversold condition, and then we got a buy, and then it moved up in line with this retracement, and then we are back again below 30ish. So this is extremely good indication for us to go long on this one at strategic levels around 141 as I entered. And of course, should this price dip further to 25, which I presume going to act as a support, so 25 should be very good support for a technical person to re-enter. Now, this some people might call as going against the market. This is the beauty and the effectiveness in Fibonacci tool compared to other indicators. Now, when all the indicators are showing you sell, sell, and it's showing bearish, Fibonacci tool and harmonic price pattern are effective in identifying the precise reversal points. This is very important. Now, I would suggest, now if you're trading on, let's say, a speculative share, then you should have your stop losses. Okay, so it does not mean that we are going to see a reversal as we hit 141 or as we hit 161. Okay, you always have to be taking precautionary measures to cut your losses. So for me, I would as a long-term investor, I'm looking to re-enter or to accumulate for the longer run. So I'm looking at strategic levels to buy in, instead of I just wait and then decide on any given day that I just buy. It's not like that.